Okay, let's try something different.
Hi, this is Laser IT YouTube with a video tutorial showing you how to change the mouse settings in Windows 10. Okay, so you're going to press the Windows key and you're going to type in Control Panel, and we're going to click on that there. So sometimes it's going to load up as categories and you won't be able to find the mouse. So in the top right you have the view by, and let's drop down, let's go to large icons. Now if we drop down here we have mouse, and you can change all the settings you need to there. If you're left-handed or right-handed, switch the primary and secondary buttons, adjust what the pointers look like, the pointer options. Once you're done with that, all you need to do is click on apply and OK, and it's all done. Thank you for watching this video. If this did help, please remember to leave me a like or a comment.